Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. Tired of that old dim can light? Well, thanks to these great bright white replacement LED can lights from DEGNJU, you're going to brighten up your space so quickly. These lights were such an easy way to swap out with our old can lights. They literally took about 3 minutes or less to do each one. And what's really cool is you have the option to go with 5 different settings. And all of them are super bright and white depending on how much that you want. What's also really nice is that they work with a dimmable switch as well. So we installed this with our dimmers, and as you can see, it's so nice because maybe sometimes you're just not in the mood for that much LED, and you can dim them and have a really still nice warm and inviting atmosphere. This is the rainiest of rainy days I think that we've had all year, but you can tell that this bright white light is all around me. These are such a great option for your space. We have them in the kitchen, the living room, and literally any space is just so much brighter and clean feeling. But that's just my point of view.